Let's Comical Simulator, and now we're gonna do the last two. Power failure first, and then craft, and then fire landing. Something with fire. DRJ. Let's go to Seattle, and the last one will be two. Back to power failure. I've done once before. Okay. Where's gate 7? Over here. How many passengers? Probably like full flight. Okay, almost full flight. Full flight's 14, there's 13 on board.
Now we request.
Oh, we have a vlogger, dang it. But I always wonder what the vlogger's reactions are when the plane lands, when the plane crashes. The vlogger's right here.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain from the flight deck. Welcome aboard the flight. We're expecting a smooth ride today, so the seatbelt sign should remain off for most of the flight. Thanks for flying with us, and once again, welcome aboard.
And we're taking off. They don't know that we're never gonna land.
This is your captain from the flight deck. We have reached our cruising altitude. The flight attendants should start their in-flight service shortly. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
I actually don't know how power failure works. Because I've done it once before, but I don't remember.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain from the flight deck. It looks like we're going to experience some light turbulence for the next couple of minutes. At this time, please ensure your seatbelt is safely fastened. Thank you.
Frick. Frick. What's going on? Okay, everyone's complaining. Wait, what's going on, captains? I got shoot. I thought it was a crash. There's no screens. What are you freaking talking about? Okay, I need to fix the power. Alright, turn it back on. Am I late?
This is your captain from the flight deck. Sorry about that. We just experienced a brief power failure. Everything's back online now, and the aircraft is operating perfectly normally. Thanks for your patience. This is your captain from the flight deck. We have started our initial descent and will be landing soon. Thanks for flying with us, and we hope to see you again soon. Flight attendants, please prepare the cabin for arrival.
Oh, come on. Another one? Bruh. This is tied with my other flight. This one. The one that had motor turbulence, depressurization, and disrupt the passenger. But this one had light turbulence, power failure, and disrupt the passenger. She's smiling. So she wants to be arrested? Okay. I thought this person was going to. Based on the faces, they look at that one, this one, or this one. Are the police coming? There they are. Right, perfect. We're late. Okay, we're still on time. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this one. The next one is going to be the hardest for me. Cabin fire. I've actually never done it, so please mind me if I do something bad. Peace.